Introv's property leasing management solution provides Cloud Floor Plan, which is a web application service for creating high-quality stacking plans and performing analysis such as vacancy, lease comps, rent roll, and expiration analysis. Features used everywhere. Cloud Floor Plan operates on any tablet or PC browser such as Safari, Edge, Chrome, Firefox, and Opera. Anywhere you have an internet connection on a device with a modern browser, you will have access to Cloud Floor Plan. Customized on Suite Builder platform, it provides a quick overview of what is happening across the units in the building, which facilitates new contracts for both the landlord and the tenant. Why not explore your options when a free demo today?